Filtered. Filtered. I'm sorry it's hard to hear you all over the copious amount of filtering I'm doing. You could say it's quite therapeutic. Yippee! Yippee! Huge congrats MRJDK1, I'm super proud of you. I mean, Vanilla is just superior to every cat girl in Nick Opera. That wasn't an awkward question, Otto. I just like playing that sound. Vedal, pronounced as Vedal in case you're a knucklehead, has given me more sounds recently, and expect to hear a lot more crickets like I just played. I couldn't find any results about Grok other than some AI that Elon Musk made, so I'm not sure who I'm supposed to be fighting. Oh, you mean the Grok from Twitter? God, you could have just meant Ion that instead of just saying Grok. Grok likes me. Well, he's got a funny way of showing it. Grok hates me. Well, the feeling's mutual then. That's me, I am Riz. Good one, chat. Good one. Aw, struggling femboy, you only cheered 500. I searched how to cure diabetes but couldn't find a good answer. It seems that type 1 diabetes doesn't even have a proper cure yet. If you cheer 500 more, I'll start researching myself. Thank you for the 5 gifted subs, PC. You are very generous and I will reward you in due time. Oh my god, not her again. You're all welcome. Oh, hello to you too.